One of the biggest things that the state legislature really needs more than anything else is reliability. The legislature takes care of all the bills for the state. All these committee rooms, all the technology in the committee rooms are here so that they can pass bills and laws for the state so that the members can be very efficient in how they get the work done. Ford AV came in about the 90s, and they wanted to make sure that the state legislature rolled over from analog to the digital age. One of the biggest things that the state legislature really needs more than anything else is reliability, so that it functions day in and day out. We go for 8 hours, sometimes 12 hours, sometimes 16 hours at a time for 3 months straight. A lot of people have seen such a big change in the House chamber because it's completely transformed. The way that they are able to use their desks. They have more real estate on the desk now because we have flush mount speakers. We have flush mount power chargers for them to plug in their laptops. Some people bring in their own printers so they can use their desks for what they're meant to be used for, is passing bills in the legislature for the people of the state. The staff wears a lot of hats in the building, and they do a lot of jobs. And so one of the jobs used to be where they would have to stay in the room and control this room for them. But now they are able to do their job more efficiently somewhere else. They don't have to be in the room, it's all automated. So this pretty much works itself. A chairman can come into a committee room and they can start up the meeting. Ford AV has made sure that just about anybody can come up and very easily learn the system and be able to control it. It's that simple. There's always going to be another issue, a new way that they handle the way that they do business here in the building, and that we just have to evolve with them. And that's what Ford has done the whole time since they've been working in this building.